Moving on. What is this video game sound effect that's been slowed and reversed?
Man, let's go with the 2 points.
Okay, 2 points. This is just reversed.
Huh. Let's go with the 1 point.
Okay, this one is just slowed.
To be honest, I'm not sure.
All right.
I'm trying to think of even a guess, and it sounds a little creepy, but I don't know if that's just because it's slowed down, you know?
Not knowing this is a little sus, dude.
Yeah.
This is the Among Us sound.
Yep. Oh God, the comments are gonna shred me alive on this one.
You might be the imposter.